Tyler, it's okay.
It's okay, she wasn't hurting Mommy. Put that one in there.
I remember what Richard would do when he was little. He'd eat something and he'd finish it, he'd put it back in and grab another one.
Yep, he would.
That was funny.
Hi.
Hi.
So you guys start tickling. I want to see another tickling match. Get her, get Auntie Symphony, get her. Oh, what's the matter, Phoebe? What's the matter, Phoebe? What's the matter, Freeway? You talk to me. Freeway, talk to me. Go get him. What you doing? Freeway, what? Freeway, what?
What are them doing to you?
There's our buddy. There's our friend Heather. Oh, Freeway.
Oh, Tyler. Oh, it's okay.
Oh, Tyler thinks you're getting hurt. Aw. Poor little guy. Say hi, Heather.
It's okay.
Freeway, come here, baby. Are you okay? Are you okay, Freeway? Say hi. Say hello, Freeway. Freeway, come here. Say hi. Chloe. Okay. They've had enough, I think. Okay, say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye.